All right, kiddos, welcome. Here we are with this assignment review video. So make sure you have paper and pencil out and ready to copy, right? First thing we do is we identify the name of the assignment, and it is called angle bisectors, right? Then we read the instructions. The instructions say, show each figure shows a triangle with one of its angle bisectors. Each figure shows a triangle with one of its angle bisectors, right? Okay, so number one says, find x, y, z if angle 2 is 33 degrees. So let's see. So the first thing that we know for sure is that PZ is the angle bisector, right? So that means that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And then angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to the big angle, which is XYZ, right? So we know angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle XZY. XZY. Well, how much is angle 1? Well, we know that angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. And if angle 2 is 33, that means angle 1 is 33 as well, right? So this is 33 here. Angle 2 is 33, which is equal to angle XZY, right? Well, this is 33 plus 33 is 66, is equal to angle XZY. Look at that. Perfect. That's number 1. Right? Look at that. You got this. Right? Number 2. Let's see. So again, what color can we use that pops out a little more? This one. So we know that PD is the angle bisector. So angle 2 and angle 1 are equal, right? And they add up to angle FDE, right? So it says find angle 2. We need to find angle 2. We need to know what angle 2 is. If FDE is equal to 34. So what we do know is that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle FDE, the big angle, right? So we don't know what angle 1 is. They don't tell us. So angle 1 is X. We don't know. Unknown. Plus angle 2, since angle 2 is the same as angle 1, which is X, so it's also X. And angle FDE is 34, so this is 34. So X plus X is 2X, which is 34 on this side. The opposite of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. So we get X is equal to 17 degrees. And that right here, kiddos, is our solution for number 2, right? That's our solution for number 2, right? So small angle plus small angle is equal to big angle, right? That's the common thing that we're looking at so far. So here it says, okay, what does it say here? It says angle 2 is 8x minus 5. You know what? That can be better here. Let's do this one. 8x is, angle 2 is equal to 8x minus 5. Angle TRS is equal to 12x plus 2. Find x. Okay. So, again, let us remember that we're dealing with the big angle here, which is, no, it's too big here. So, we're dealing with the big angle, which is TRS, right? And we remember that that's the angle bisector. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to TRS. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle TRS. Angle 1, well, I don't know what angle 1 is. They don't give us angle 1. But we do know that angle 1 is the same as angle 2. These two are the same. And they tell us that angle 2 is 8x minus 5. So that means angle 1 is also 8x minus 5. So 8x minus 5 is angle 1 plus angle 2 is 8x minus 5 is equal to the angle TRS, which is 12x plus 2. There it is right here, right? So let us combine like terms. 8x and 8x is 16x. Minus 5 and minus 5 is minus 10. So immediately, everyone, I'm going to move this 12x over and make it negative 12x. Look at this. Minus 12x. That means I got to move this negative 10 over here and make it a plus 10. So plus 10, just like that. So 16x minus 12x is 4x. And 2 plus 10 on the right side here is 12. The opposite of multiplying by 4 is dividing by 4. So I get x is equal to 3. And there you go. Look at that. That's number 3. Right there. Okay. Find x. We found x. All right. Look at that. Okay. Let's do number 4. So number 4 is saying angle 2 is 6x plus 3. Angle EGF is 16x minus 6. Find x. Well, we know that GF is the bisector of, right, of EGF, right? EGF was split down the middle, look. So we know that angle 2 and angle 1 are the same, and they add up to EGF. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle EGF. Well, again, just like number 3, we don't have angle 1. They don't give us angle 1 anywhere. But we know that these two are the same. And if angle 2 is 6x plus 3, then angle 1 is also 6x plus 3. So, and angle 2 is 6x plus 3, and angle EGF is 16x minus 6. So, just like the other one, we're going to combine like terms. 6x and 6x is 12x. 3 plus 3 is 6. This time, guys, I'm going to move this 12x over this way and make it a minus 12. So, minus 12x here. So that means I'm going to move this minus 6 over this way and make it a plus 6. So plus 6 here, just like this. So I get 12 and negative 12x. The opposite of multiplying by negative 12 is dividing by negative 12. And I get negative 1 is equal to x. Look at that. Right? And that is number 4. Oh, just cracked my back, everybody. Look at that. That's number 4. All right. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equals the big angle, right? Is what we're learning. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2 as well. Is what we've noticed so far. Okay. Well, let us do number 5. Okay. So it says find angle FHG if angle 1 is 40x plus 1 and angle FHG is 83x minus 1. Okay, so let us remember the setup. So let us remember here that HP is bisecting FHG, right? It's splitting FHG down the middle and creating two angles that are the same, right? So let us remember that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle FHG here. So we remember that angle 1 is the equal to angle 2. Well, we do have angle 1, 40x plus 1, right? 40x plus 1. We don't have angle 2, but we don't need it because we already know that they're equal to angle 1. So it's also 40x plus 1 plus 40x plus 1 is equal to angle FHG, which is 83x minus 1. 83x minus 1. So let us combine like terms. 40x and 40x is 80x. 1 plus 1 is a positive 2. So I'm going to move this 83x over this way. No. The other way around. I'm going to move this 80x over this way and make it a negative 80x. So that means I'm going to move this negative 1 over here and make it a positive 1. Plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 83x minus, oops, forgot my x here, look. 83x minus 80x is 3x. The opposite of multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3. So I get 1 is equal to x. And is this my final answer, everybody? No, it says find FHG. So this thing says that FHG, let me do it over here on this side. Angle FHG is equal to 83x minus 1. 83x minus 1. But I know that x is equal to 1, so x is going to go in there. So I'm going to write 83 parentheses minus 1. So what's going to go in there is 1. And I got this one from x equals 1 right there. So I draw my line of separation. 83 times 1 is 83. Minus 1 is equal to 82. So angle FHG is equal to 82 degrees. And that right there, kiddos, is my final answer right there. Because the question said, find, oh, right here, find angle FHG. I found angle FHG. Okay? Perfect. Okay, one more. Okay, this one says, this one's a little different. Look, find angle 1. If angle 2 is 11 plus 3x and angle 1 is 1 plus 4x. See, nowhere here, guys, because, okay, so I know that this is the bisector. Nowhere here does it mention WYX. Nowhere. There's no WYX here. Look. So we're not going to do angle 1 plus angle 1 equals WYX. What we are going to do is we're going to do angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Because we know they are, right? So angle 1 is 1 plus 4x. Angle 2 is 11 plus 3x. So let's draw a line of separation. I'm going to move this 3x over and make it a negative 3x minus 3x. I'm going to move this 1 over and make it a negative 1. Negative 1 like this. 4x minus 3x is 1x. 11 minus 1 is 10. The opposite of multiplying by 1 is dividing by 1. So I get x is equal to 10 divided by 1 is 10. But kiddos, is that my final answer? I don't think so, right? This says find angle 1. And angle 1 is equal to 1 plus 4x. So, write it over here. Angle 1 is equal to 1 plus 4x. 1 plus 4x. So that means that this x equals 10 is going to go right there. 10 is going to go there. All right? So 1 plus 4 parentheses, and 10 is going to go in here. Right? Because this was 10, and x is equal to 10, and it goes in there. Right? 4 times 10 is 40, plus 1. I get angle 1 is equal to 41 degrees. And let's pick pink. There you go. Look at that. And that's number 6 right there. So remember, make sure you rewind or pause in order to get everything down. But that right there, kiddos, is this assignment reviewed video. Make sure that you have everything copied down in order for you to get the maximum amount of points for this assignment. All right. Thank you for being here. See you next time.